Welcome to the Helios UB64 tour, presenting my personal top 10 highlights of the new Helios UB64 software. This release represents the best Helios generation ever. It comes with the rock-solid server foundation for which Helios has been known for decades. That's why we call it Helios UB64, which means Unbreakable Server Solutions. All 64-bit based, delivering the fastest performance possible. Here's my top 10 list. My number 1. Helios Universal File Server UB64. Helios Universal File Server UB64 is a new file server solution serving Mac, Windows, web, and mobile clients. It also includes IT monitoring and synchronization services, all in a single product called Universal File Server UB64. It's very easy to use, runs on all major server platforms, and meets file server requirements for businesses of any scale. With Universal File Server, we combined proven products including Helios EtherShare, PCShare, WebShare, WebShare Manager, iPad Document Hub, and IT Monitor Server into a single product with a single license, making it the most powerful and flexible system available in the market. This is my number 1. My number 2. EtherShare for Windows. Completely new with UB64 is EtherShare for Windows, which provides a first-class file server solution for Mac environments. When the Universal File Server is installed on a Windows server, the new EtherShare for Windows component provides native Mac file and print server services to Mac network clients. To Mac users, the Windows server looks just like a Mac server, with support for Spotlight searches, Time Machine backups, Finder tags, Bonjour printer drivers, easy administration from Mac and Windows clients, and much more. This is what Windows server sites with Mac clients will love. My number 3. Synchronization Service. Administrators will really love the new built-in Helios Synchronization Service. Synchronization Service automates the synchronizing of folders, volumes, and even entire disks to make a second copy of the data available for backup and disaster recovery. I like how the Helios Admin graphical user interface allows easily creating synchronization jobs and monitoring job status and job logs. The synced copy of the data can be published as a regular Helios volume accessible across the enterprise, enabling Mac, Windows, and remote web clients to easily mount and use the synced data when needed. My number 4. Spotlight indexing and searches. I'm really enthused about our Spotlight indexing and search system, which we enhanced in Helios UB64. With today's storage capacity, Spotlight is essential to find server files by file name, by text content, including in Office and PDF documents, and by metadata such as XMP or IPTC. PDF indexing is now included by default in UB64 without any need for add-on products. We got feedback from customers that they want Spotlight searches to also find file names included in zip archives, and to search for files and folders based upon their Mac color labels. So we added these capabilities, as well as indexing support for the new Mavericks Finder tags. Spotlight searches work for all our file server clients, Mac, Windows, web, and iPhone and iPad users. It is very powerful, yet easy to use. You will not find our Spotlight capabilities in other file server solutions. This is really great. My number 5. Drag and drop uploads into EtherShare. I really like the new drag and drop option to upload files to a EtherShare server. With EtherShare UB64, you can simply drag and drop files into the EtherShare browser window for easy uploading. Even files larger than 4 GB can be uploaded this way, with a progress bar showing the status of each file. It feels like copying files on the desktop. Very easy. My number 6. EtherShare Quick Share. I want to easily share server files within seconds in a secure manner, and the new EtherShare Quick Share feature does just that. Quick shares allow remote users to access designated files in folders just by clicking a short URL. This is perfect for sharing or publishing files to external users. QuickShare users can only access files shared via a QuickShare link. They are permitted to upload, download, and/or preview files using an optimized user interface for QuickShare users. Authorized users can quickly create a QuickShare link via a simple menu. It's that easy. Our QuickShare video demonstrates this significant new capability. My number 7. Mac Finder Permissions Extension. Specifying permissions of server files is important, so the inability of Mac clients to do so has bummed me out. The good news is that Helios UB64 adds that capability with a Finder Permissions extension. Mac users can now modify permissions of server files directly from within the Finder of connected Mac clients. My number 8. Proofing annotations. We use the Print Preview annotation system for our far-flung staff to create multi-user threaded annotations within EtherShare for images, documents, and proofs. The annotations serve as a record of the review and approval process. Print Preview UB64 introduces nice refinements. An annotation can now be edited or deleted by the annotation author, as long as there is no reply to it. And new sort and refresh options are added as well. My number 9. PDF to PDF Color Management. The new PDF Color Management allows converting the color space of PDF documents to a given destination ICC profile. This means that customers can produce PDFs in a standard color space, for example Adobe RGB, and we can then convert that PDF for multiple purposes, for example for offset printing, for digital printing, or to sRGB for Internet distribution. The output will be a new PDF where the entire content is color matched to the desired color space. All PDF data, including fonts, transparencies, images, and vector data, are fully preserved, and the new color matches the desired purpose. ICC profiles, including device link profiles, are supported. My number 10. IT Monitor Server. I saved one of my favorite highlights for last, a completely new product, the Helios IT Monitor Server. IT Monitor Server is included with the Helios Universal File Server software to enable network administrators to monitor IT infrastructure. IT Monitor Server monitors designated services in the background and sends email and iPhone push notifications to admins upon server overload or service failure. The IT Monitor iOS app for iPhone is used to display the status of services, browse messages, present graphical performance charts, and manage settings. This proactive notification allows fixing problems in advance before serious trouble develops. It takes only a minute to set up the iPhone native app as a reporting device, and is so easy to use that I'm confident users will love it. These are just a few of the many enhancements and new features in the Helios UB64 release. A complete list can be found on the Helios website. Our goal is to make our software perfect for customers who rely on our Helios solutions as a key part of their daily business. What are your favorite features? Let us know on the Helios Google Plus webpage.